Capturing the power of a star, how NIF is bringing us closer to the prospect of harnessing laser-powered fusion energy. Could holographic windshields become a standard feature on your next car? The partnership aiming to make this tech as ubiquitous as a turn signal. And Photonics Spectra Now is officially your award-winning source for industry news. The prestigious honor our weekly newscast is earning. These stories and more on Photonics Spectra Now. Photonics Spectra Now is brought to you by Ceram Optic. Innovative fiber optics every step of the way. Visit ceramoptic.com to learn more. And by Norland Products, pioneering high-performance adhesives and specialized solutions since 1960. Visit their all-new website at norlandproducts.com. Hi, and welcome to Photonics Spectra Now, covering your top headlines in the world of photonics. I'm Joe Kaczynski, a senior editor with Photonics Spectra. According to reports, the U.S. Department of Energy's National Ignition Facility is setting new records in power output for laser-based fusion. Studies published by the Lawrence Livermore National Laboratory show that NIF achieved ignition for the 8th time in April, setting records for target gain and energy gain with 4.1 and 8.6 megajoules respectively. That's a big jump from February's run that posted 2.4 and 5 megajoules. NIF's sustained improvements offer a direct link to the eventual goal of viable commercial fusion energy. Also setting records, teams at DARPA have surpassed several milestones for power beaming. The Persistent Optical Wireless Energy Relay, or POWER for short, recorded more than 800 watts of power delivered during a 30-second transmission from a laser more than 8.5 kilometers away. Over the course of this test, more than 1 megajoule of energy was transferred. The previous distance record for this feat was less than 2 kilometers for 25 seconds. The power team used their record-setting laser to celebrate, harnessing the transferred energy to make popcorn. Zeiss and Tesa are partnering with plans for the mass production of functional holographic films for windshields. Zeiss brings to the table micro-optics expertise, while Tesa provides the adhesive needed to apply those films. In a more general sense, the pair plans to build a scalable, stable line of production to apply optical holographic components to transparent surfaces like glass. But bringing this tech to your vehicle is the endgame. Scientists at MIT have created a technique that could change how we study gravity. Researchers utilized a laser cooling application to bridge the classical and quantum worlds. This would let physicists test whether gravity needs to be described by quantum theory. No widely accepted quantum theory of gravity exists right now, and if researchers could learn the relationship between quantum theories and gravity, it could help refocus work done revolving around Sir Isaac Newton's famous law. An imaging system developed by Duke University could allow for high-speed 4D videos of moving organisms. By borrowing techniques from astronomy, biomedical researchers used a concave mirror and an array of sensors to rapidly capture the unrestrained movements of small model organisms like zebrafish and fruit fly larvae. This new imaging tool could be used to enable scientists to conduct more precise behavioral studies of model organisms. And we here at Photonics Media want to thank everyone who has helped contribute to the success of Photonics Spectra Now, a cornerstone project in our recent submission and win of a 2025 Neal Award. Every week, we strive to bring you the biggest stories across the optics and photonics industry, and our work in Photonics Spectra Now has been highlighted in our win for Best Range of Work by a single author. Again, thank you all for watching, and of course, your continued support. Have news you'd like to share or suggestions for our team? You can send any story tips, questions, or comments to video@photonics.com. Give us a like and click that subscribe button in the corner for all the latest videos from Photonics Media, and be sure to follow us on all your favorite social media platforms. Remember, you can always find more details on these stories and everything else happening in the industry by going to photonics.com. I'm Joe Kaczynski, and thanks for watching.